All right, so check it out. Feast of Trumpets in this time zone. New moon, right? So the Revelation 12. Behold, a sign appeared in the heaven. A woman clothed with the sun. Notice the sun at her back. That means she's clothed with the sun. And the moon at her feet. Okay? And a crown of 12. So notice here, it's only Venus and Mercury and then Leo. So the 9 stars of Leo and the 2 wandering stars, Venus and Mercury. It's not a crown of 12 right now, right? But on 2017, I just want to show how this happens every Feast of Trumpets. The woman is clothed with the sun and the moon is at her feet. Every year. I'm not zoomed in enough, but it's 2 planets there. It's Venus and Mercury. All right, so now let's go to Feast of Trumpets, Yom Teruah, the hidden day, on September 23rd, 2017. Notice how there are 3 wandering stars and the 9 stars of Leo. So that's the crown of 12. Same day, you could see clothed with the sun, moon at her feet. Now notice Jupiter. It's right there below the V. It's out of her belly. It's out of her belly. There's a closer shot. Now, if we go 9 months prior, notice how Jupiter's in the belly. And you can go through every month and you'll see that Jupiter will be in the belly. And then also Comet Conception comes in 9 months prior. And it comes from the loins of Leo, constellation Leo, the lion from the tribe of Judah. Comet Conception, it's like C 2017, E1, I think is the name of it, Basilov. There's Jupiter in the belly. There's Spica. Spica used to be called Abib, which means the ripe barley. And notice how it's in the barley. And Jupiter, there's Jupiter in the belly. And what is that thing, huh? Look at it. Very interesting. So right there, that star that's in the wheat or the barley, depending on the season, that's called Spica, which used to be called Abib, which means the ripe barley. That's the harvest. On the other hand, that branch, that is Jesus, that's representative of Jesus Christ. So this is representative of, read all of Revelation 12. It's beautiful. But this is the virgin who gives birth, the seed, right? The enmity between her seed and the serpent's seed. So she's holding both. She's holding the harvest and the root and offspring of David. And all of that represents Jesus Christ being the first fruits of the harvest and we being all the harvest. There you go. This is how we know it's Feast of Trumpets. First off, it's a new moon. The first sliver is day 1. And the clothed with the sun, moon at her feet.